Hey, what are you guys doing in the garbage can? First word of the day, garbage can. And remember, this 10-minute YouTube video is the same thing as a 1 hour English class. And how's this? This is through comprehensible input. And today, right now, we're in my apartment basement. You see? And we're going to clean my apartment together. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, so here I told you we're in my apartment basement. And these are garage doors. You see? The garage doors go up or down, and cars can go inside and outside of the garage door. You see? And we're going to continue to learn English while we clean my apartment. And we're going to go up, open the door handle, open. That there is an elevator. That there is an elevator. But we're not going to take the elevator. We're going to take the stairs. Press the button. Boom. Doors open. And let's get ready to clean the apartment. And cleaning apartments is never fun. It's annoying cleaning apartments. But today, we're gonna have fun and learn English and clean together. All right, first thing we got to do is change the garbage can. We gotta put a fresh, new plastic bag inside the garbage can. And voila, we have a fresh, new garbage bag inside the garbage can. All right, what do we got to do next? Me and my wife ate a big lunch. Now we need to wash the dishes. All right, so almost finished washing the dishes, but I have some good vocabulary words for you. This is already washed and it's called a casserole pot. And here, this is the lid for the casserole pot. It goes on right on top. Here, cutting board. Use it to cut meat or maybe vegetables on the cutting board. Next, we have spatula. Spatula to flip burgers. If you haven't seen my burger video, go watch the burger video. And this is a strainer. Me and my wife, we had a big bowl of pasta earlier. I'm really full. Aren't you full, baby? Yeah, my baby's full also. And we needed this to strain the pasta. It's called a strainer. All right, and to do the dishes, you need to turn on the faucet. These are knobs. You can turn the knob right to turn on the water, or you can turn it left to turn off the water. And the number one vocabulary for washing dishes is the sponge. You need to use the sponge. This here is the coarse side. When it's really dirty, you use the coarse side. And this is the sponge side. When it's not so dirty, you use the sponge side. And you need dishwashing liquid. And this is all-purpose cleaning. You spray, this is a spray bottle, spray on the counter. Here's a counter. And we use a rag to wipe the counter. As you see me, I'm wiping the counter. And we have to vacuum the floor. So we're gonna use the vacuum to vacuum the floor. And voila, we vacuum the floor. Next, we have to go into the toilet and clean the toilet. So we're going to use the toilet cleaning product. Go around the edges of the toilet. And then you need to use the brush. See this? You got to use the brush and brush in the toilet. All right, and now we're going to take the window cleaner and we're going to clean the windows over there. I'm gonna spray the windows. All right, and then you just got to wipe again. English is easy. You wipe the table, you wipe the window, you wipe the floors. Everything is wiping. English is very easy. Easy language. Always remember that. And don't forget to do both sides of the window. You got to do the front side and the back side of the window. And you need to dust. This, we use a duster and we dust. We dust the house. We dust the furniture. This here is a counter. We dust the counter. All right, and last thing, this is an ironing board where we can use the plug. See, this is how the electricity gets to the iron, and we plug it into the wall. Why does this never work? Leave it in the comments if you try to plug stuff in the walls and it doesn't go in the wall. Leave it in the comments. All right, we got it. We got it plugged in the wall. Now, gotta wait till it's warm. All right, yeah, it's warm now. And we just got to pass the iron, see? Pass the iron along whatever it is you're ironing. You could be ironing clothes, maybe a t-shirt, a sweater, pants, whatever you're ironing. Pass it over the clothes and it will no longer be wrinkled, you see? And next we have to wash the floor. So you gotta use the floor washing liquid or floor wash. I don't know what it is in English, but remember, English is an easy language. You just say floor wash. And you gotta take the rag, put it in the bucket, get some water, put it in the bucket. There's already water in it. You put the rag inside the water, and you drain. See that? I'm draining the water so that it doesn't get too wet, the floor. And then you just put it on the floor, the rag, and you wipe the floor. And thank you for learning English with us while cleaning the house. I hope you guys liked the video. I will see you in the next video. But wait, hold on 1 second. You're watching to the end. I know you like the video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.